Finish the edge of the front side smock part with small zigzag stitches. Fix embroidery thread. Finish up the edges of the middle front part from number 8 over number 2 to number 7 with small zigzag stitches. Pin the middle front piece to the smocked side front piece and sew the long side up to notch 2. Sew the long side up to notch 2. Carefully cut in diagonally close to the end of the seam. Iron seam allowance apart. Place smocked piece onto the edge between 2 and 7 and baste in place. Sew in place. Remove basting thread. Continue with the second front part